happened and what happened. The wild boars here. Are you eating it? She like Hey guys, we're at 7-Eleven right now, and I saw the pancake with maple syrup and margarine, so I'm getting one. They don't have the strawberry cream sandwich, but they have a bunch of ice creams that others don't have. See that matcha thing they don't have? I really want to try that. But yeah, so far this is all that I have. I don't know where theirs are. They're currently restocking it. I hope they have it. To try one of the smoothies. You want to get the acai or berries and yogurt? I don't have hands yet. Thanks. We're getting this one. Can you show the name? Berries and yogurt. Guys, we're gonna spin our smoothie. Okay. Start. Time to try your smoothie. Thanks, mommy. We have the straw here. Yogurt. It's not deepa. Okay guys, we're back from 7-Eleven. And we also went to Lawson. Dian got like a roll cream cake. And let's taste test it. Wait, let's take a picture of it first. Let's tear it down a minute. I want to see how it looks.
So wet now.
Wow, you see that? Okay. It's like syrup and why?
Wow. Syrup.
Pancakes very soft. It tastes like what you'd think it tastes like. Just pancakes with butter in. Why? It's not that sweet. And this smoothie's good. Cheaper version with jamba juice. But good. It's not that sweet. I want to get the strawberry and cream, but they didn't have it.
There's a plate, okay?
Okay, that works. I see it now.
Oh,
Hey guys, I got a matcha latte from this pancake shop. I don't know what. I was originally wanted matcha, and the one I wanted to go to try the matcha is closed. It closed early. It's spilling. The color of this matcha doesn't look super green. Not bad. It's just milky. It's not bitter. Okay, it's not bitter. That's fine. I think this is ice cream. With cream. I don't know what this is. It looks like red bean. I don't like red bean. I'm gonna try the pancake. Oh, it's hot. It's like steaming. Oh, the cream's falling. Oh, there's like matcha. It's layered with, there's like matcha cream inside. In the middle. Try some ice cream on top. Okay guys, we're in a thick kind of restaurant kind of thing. So everything's grilled. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna video this. Oh, and you use the soup to cook the egg. Oh, never mind.
What's this for?
The rice. Oh, I wanna try. It's special rice. It's not just regular rice. It's the special rice.
What's that for?
Oh damn, that's good. We got croquettes. What is camembert? Camembert? Camembert croquettes. Why is it slimy? Look at that. You see that slime? Ew, it's like jelly. I'll try this. Actually, no, you guys bite first. It's like cheese in the middle.
Okay, oh no, we have another one now.
It's not cheese, it's like Frito, right? What is it?
Nothing.
Order another one now.
No.
Order another one now.
It's not that heavy. I didn't know that. Even the donut, me and Aya got, it's really good. This is my only order. Cheese mochi balls. Let's try one. I like the sauce though.
Cheesy mochi. Butter and wings.
Okay, so what's this? Breast? It's wasabi.
Relish. No, that's wasabi.
Chicken breast with wasabi. Chicken butt. Okay guys, we're at Haiti right now and I got a cloud matcha and we're waiting for our order. Time to try the matcha cloud. I have no idea what's in it. That's so cool. It turns like this. Turns like that. It opens. That's so cool how it opens.
May iba yung opening niya.
It's like salt. It's like the happy lemon. It's good, really good. We're gonna unbox this heroin mascara I got yesterday. I just woke up, so kind of tired. I got the micro mascara.
Meaning?
The bristles are like smaller.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying that.
Well, that's it. This is the heroin one. This is supposed to be like really good and waterproof, that you actually need mascara remover. So I really need this because I have tear duct and I need waterproof mascara. Because I used the Maybelline one, but it doesn't work for me. So hopefully this works. I also got a lash serum. I'm not using it because I'm gonna let Anya bring it home because I don't have space in my luggage. It's currently 8:11 and we're leaving. Are we leaving at 9 or earlier than 9?
9.
And we're leaving at 9 to go to Ikeda. My eyes look so small. I just woke up. I literally just woke up. Oh my gosh, it's 28 degrees Celsius. It's so hot. Hey guys, we're currently at Ikeda and we're gonna visit a castle. Or I park pala, sorry. We're gonna visit a park. Oh, look at a fluffy butt. It's got a really poofy butt. 15-minute walk, I think. 10 to 15-minute walk to the park. So yeah, we're gonna walk there right now. It's so cute. Guys, I found a store with real dogs in it. It's a pet store. Oh my god, you see a puppy? Sorry. Oh my gosh, I need to take a picture. That's Satsuyama Park apparently. Their playground is so nice and so big, and this area isn't even like a main area. Oh hell no. Look how much stairs, it's so steep. It's so hot. It's actually like so hot. I'm sweating. I need food.
But they're constructing it.
There's a temple there. The sky bowing. I'm skating tomorrow. I have this. Almost there. The back hurts. Oh, why do I see a car? Is that even the right way? How is this a park if there's a car? We just like went up the freaking road, bruh. It's not even a park. We going all the way up there?
What does I say?
430 meters. Oh, something. If we get hit, this is our last known location. Oh hell no, bruh. You know?
Exploration.
This is not exploration, this is not even safe. We're like in the middle of a road. And look at that.
What?
Rocks. See? Look at that car. We're in the main road. It's just not safe. I highly doubt we're supposed to be walking here. Oh hell no, bro. There's a car coming. This isn't even normal. I think this is normal. I don't see any tourists here. It's not very safe. It's not a tourist area. Good thing mommy's not here. If mommy's here, we're dead. She's gonna be so tired. Yeah, I'm hungry. Guys, we gotta go all the way up there. What if it's not open? But if they put it down for construction, maybe it's not open. If you didn't even think about that, you lose. Maybe it's not even open because they put it for construction.
Why not? Go back down?
Right? Because like, why would they put it for construction? I don't think people are meant to walk in the main road where cars are passing. Like, there are no sidewalks.
We're not. Look, we're here now. Just need to turn. We're here now.
Okay, that's fine. If not, we have to go back down.
Go back down?
Yeah, if it's not it, you have to go back down.
This is it.
Yeah, but what if it's not as it what it used to be? Because it's under construction or there's something wrong. If ever you see random people walking in the road, it's probably us. Not even gonna lie. The vlog. In case someone finds me dead, at least they have footage of how it happened and what happened. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, there's a car. See? Look at that. Like 2 cars, bruh. This thing's so mushy. Bruh. Oh my god. There's like no end, bro. There's like a turn.
After the turn.
Yeah, well, we still have to go up.
Yeah, no, but then going down here.
Yeah, trees though. It's okay. You know what? The air smells fresh. Oh yeah, and to add to this situation, there are wild boars here. So there's that too. It's actually so hot. I'm like sweating. Like really sweating. Guys, we see an end. I mean, oh, is that the is that what we're taking a photo for? Yeah. Hell nah, bruh. I thought this was a park. I thought I'd see like some trees and, you know, lake or something. Oh hell no. What are these flying bugs?
Oh, dragonfly.
No. There's one that was like
Dragonfly and beetle.
oh shit. Fuck.
Oh, it's a bumblebee. Y'all see it.
It's so pretty though. Jeez guys, that's pretty. There's so bugs here, like bees, beetles, dragonflies, everything. Time to take pictures. Okay, I put you in a rock. Let's take some pictures and get out of here. It's like sweating. You should see that sun. Welcome to Ikeda. Where are people going? Why do they keep going up? Those are houses upstairs?
No.
Guys, we have been saved. Another person in this route. We are all right. We're okay. Walking downhill now. Last stretch. There are a lot of bees in that area, the shrine. So, but the view was so nice. We have made it back to the stairs. We are safe. We have made it back. We've made it back into society. We're safe. What is that? There's so many bugs here.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Why are we like, bruh? Oh, that was so messy. Oh my god, ice cream. I'm like, I need food. I'm like so hungry. I'm saved.
You ice cream, ma'am?
You would not have wanted.
I know.
I vlogged the whole thing.
I know.
Hell no, bruh.
I know how na.
Are you going home?
I don't think I will do everything. And parang at least I can like relax and ano, I will eat dinner doon na.
We're at the Ikeda Castle ruins. This is the west gate. Mommy is with us. She's making it. Oh, wow, it's actually pretty. It's so pretty here.
Adi ba yun?
Gihan got a curry udon. I don't know what I got. I just thought you choose one.
I want to try your curry, just like.
That's mommy's order. I don't know what you guys cold, so it's not hot. Me and mommy are sharing.
Can't tell you first. Starbucks and I got their matcha. I always think the matcha tastes different. And then I got a Fuji matcha scone. You don't have that. It does taste different. It tastes better. Okay guys, we're at Minoo city area. We're going all the way to the park. This is around 1.1 miles away. Wait, this is about a 25-minute walk. Hey guys, we're in the Minoo Park area and it's so much cooler here. Like once you enter the park, like that's already the entrance, you can feel the shift in temperature. So much cooler and so much nicer. And it's so pretty. Look. area over here leads to another mountain, and we're standing literally in the center of it, in the entrance, because it's so cool. The wind is so cool. It's so nice. Okay guys, I'm walking to the waterfall alone right now because my brother and my mom are tired, but I've been training for this unknowingly because I always do incline, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna quickly go there, take some photos, and come back down. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a waterfall. We made it! Ayu fish. Ayu taste test.
You'll never eat fish ever again. Okay, look, it's good. Maybe they cook it differently. You can eat it in it.
It's okay. It's salty. This is a bad batch. Yeah, it's still salty. Okay guys, we're sitting down. This is my first resting spot after a while. Yay. We're gonna ride this train and go back. It's okay, it leaves at 3. And we're gonna go to Umeda. So I'm gonna get a bread bakery kind of thing. But yeah, my first rest after hiking or walking that. Okay, we have to go in. Sorry, thanks mommy. Mommy's my tripod, but I have this. That looks so good. It's like a real strawberry. Are you supposed to eat the leaf with the strawberry?
No. Is that French?
I think that's sencha. I learned this in the mountain. So the sardina, guys, it's like grill, but I'm not cooking. I'm too tired. I'm like that. Okay, right now I'm like sitting like this. Just cross out. What? Tea. It's cha. Is it this? Did you press this? Cha. Cha. Hot green tea. See, that's why you should learn Chinese. It says yeah. I sent in the order. Hey guys, that's my current spread. I have some strawberries and I melted down some chocolate. I'm having chocolate covered strawberries with some yogurt and some milk. I also had a Minoo ice cream. What a day. You guys are all so tired from walking. Okay, and then on the way here, we have a donut place called Mama didn't see that. Called PG Donut. I mean, I got an Earl Grey donut. I tried their matcha one before. It was so good. Delicious. We went to Loft after dinner and I got some stuff from Loft, and right now the background noise is Nia cooking some meat at 8:49. First it was mommy cooking vegetables, now it's Nia cooking some meat. And here's a rundown of what we got. Oh, this is an ice pack. Is that an ice pack? Oh, we got a new ice pack. Because ice pack I have at home is broken. It's like that. I got the Lineage, this one. Finally, was able to get my hands on it. And it's cheaper here. Mommy got the Medicube PDRN thing. And then I got a Snoopy bakery box. And mommy got an eye cream. We got a tax refund on these items. So, yeah. And it's so much cheaper. I'm gonna unbox this one. It's super cute. Here are the options.
See this or this. There's a Pochaco one that I really like. I was debating whether I wanted the Pochaco or this one, but I ended up choosing this one because it's a bakery, you know, like a bunch of sweets and breads, and I love bakeries. I always go to bakeries, so I chose this one. Pochaco is like cafe, and I also do I love cafes, so I want to get that. That's why I was torn between both of them. But we were in the counter, and I just got the Pochaco one out. It's 850 yen, which is like not bad.
Dia's beef smells so good.
Oh, I think, what's this? Oh, I got the welcome one. Is this an order? I got the welcome one. Oh, wow, it's so cute. It's supposed to look like this all together. That's the first bread. It's like shaped as a Snoopy. It's the second bread. I have a tray. And then I have some tongs. So let's assemble this. Oh wait, actually I still have this to open. I got the welcome one, Mommy, the number 1. Over there. We have this. Got this bread. Oh shit. Cute! And then if I want to get the bread, I'd be like, would you like some bread? And like scoop it up. It's scoopable. This is the Diaco. Is there salt yet? You have to dip it. That's the salt. Get some vegetables. Dia cooked these vegetables.
What's salt in that?
Meat looks so good. Mm-hmm. Since Mommy wants me to unbox my Laneige, I got this cinnamon sugar. There was the peach, the pink one, the darker one, and cinnamon sugar. 4 colors. I got the cinnamon sugar. I swatched everything in my hand. It has the donut applicator. Because I have the road one. It's like the plain peptide serum, but it's running low. So I decided to get this one. Because it's like glossy. I didn't want like gloss. So let's try this.
Oh, it's coming out. Oh wow. It's so soft. Oh, you see the gloss? Oh wow. Don't make fun of me.
What is next door?
It smells so good too. When you eating it, she like licked. How do you like it?
Yeah.
It's good, right? It's like glossy. It's not sticky. Buildable color plus high shine plus hydration. I love that.
I've been getting chapped lips recently. The road really helped, but it's running low, so.
Really, I like the shine.
It's so nice.